What up? Alright, so we got a GS300 Lexus. Customer complaint is that the vehicles feel like it's holding back at times, and he replaced the plugs. I believe this has the 2JZ old school non-turbo, right? But let's go on the hood and see exactly what's going on. Alright, so we got the hood up. I'm seeing that the timing cover is missing. We got some oil leaks and stuff like that, but I didn't come for that, right? So customer complaint is that sometimes feel like the vehicle is like sputtering. He changed the plugs and now he's still getting the same problem, right? So this carried the 3 coils and 3 plug wires. So let's start the vehicle up and see exactly what's going on. Okay, it's definitely running rough. I believe I found the problem. If you look real good, you got a faulty plug wire. Okay, so alright, so let's see if we can do some tests, or not tests, but I believe we found the problem. So, while the vehicle is running, I'm gonna take out my test light, put it to the ground. I'm just gonna pull that off. I'm gonna get that part of the ground right now. See if something on the test light. I'm gonna move it away. And you see the vehicle move up. Alright, so I believe we found the problem and we solved it, right? So we definitely have a plug wire with a leak. You see the vehicle is like running rough. Sounds like running. So let's move this away as best as we can. And we're gonna make a recommendation that they get these plug wires removed and replaced, and that should be it. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, man. Until next time, peace. Yeah, since I'm here, the customer asked if I can replace the plug wires for him. Right, this is OEM parts that he purchased, so let's see if we could get it done. Right, basically I'm at this garage right here and I need to go, so let's see if we can. I'm not going to tape the whole thing because I definitely have to go, right? So let's scrap this out, replace these plug wires, and take it from there. So I just shift some things around so I could get access to the plug wires. We had some coils that needed to be tightened off, right? Number 3 was loose, right? And that should be it, right? Right, so let's make sure everything is, buttoned up. Nothing could, get pinched again, right? And that should be it, right? This vehicle is definitely gonna start with no misfires from now on, and I'm gonna let the customer know that everything is good. Yeah, you hear the sound. It definitely sounds like it's, no misfire, right? So that's all, straight to the point. But this is a power observation when you come and do a diagnosing. You gotta use your senses first. Not all the time you gotta grab your scan tube. And this was a quick one, straight to the point, right? Until next time, y'all take it easy.